Hi, Mama. Now I want you to bring your pen and paper because today I'm going to teach you how to calculate your ovulation dates and your fertile days step by step. This video is going to be very detailed, so I want you to save it and come back to it whenever you need it. Before we continue, what I want you to do is follow me for daily pregnancy and motherhood tips so you can always make informed decisions like this with confidence. You can always get clarity and understanding concerning TTC, ovulation, pregnancy, and motherhood. Now, let's begin from the beginning. First, Mama, what is a menstrual cycle? Now, think of your menstrual cycle as counting the days from the first day you see your period until the day before your next period starts. Don't worry, I will show you exactly what I mean. Because this is where many women, they get confused. Some women, they see their period for 3 days. Some women see their period for 5 days. Some women see their period for 7 days. But listen carefully, Mama. The number of days your period lasts does not change your day one. I mean, your day one is always the first day you see your period. Now, let me explain. Imagine your period starts on July 20th. That means July 20 equals day 1 of your menstrual cycle. Now, let's say your period should last for 5 days. Then we count July 20 equal day 1, July 21 equal day 2, July 22 equal day 3, July 23 equal day 4, July 24 equal day 5. Now, Mama, imagine your period has stopped on July 24. This is the part I really want you to understand. Your period has stopped, but your menstrual cycle has not stopped. Your menstrual cycle is still counting. Why? Because your body is still preparing for ovulation. So we continue counting. July 25 equal day 6. July 26 equal day 7. July 27 equal day 8. July 28 equal day 9. July 29 equal day 10. July 30 equal day 11. July 31 equal day 12. Now, August 1st equal day 13. August 2 equal day 14. Now, Mama, this is where ovulation comes in. If you have a regular 28-day menstrual cycle, ovulation may happen around day 14. So in this example, your first day of your menstrual cycle is July 20, but your estimated ovulation day is August 2nd. That is your fertile day. You understand? But Mama, listen carefully, please. Do not assume or think that August 2 is the only day you can get pregnant. This is where understanding your fertile window becomes important. Because your body, when it releases an egg, that egg can survive for about 12 to 24 hours. But sperm can survive inside the female body, inside your body, for up to about 5 days. This means if you have sex with your partner before ovulation, the sperm can still be waiting inside your body when the egg is released. It will be waiting till when the egg is released. This is why when we count your fertile days, so if your estimated ovulation day is August 2, your fertile window can be around August 2, August 1, July 31, July 30, July 29, July 28. And due to our body, you understand, and science, and because of our different hormonal changes, different women with different hormones, you can include August 3 and August 4 for your fertile window. So you can include August 3, August 4. These are the days where your chances of getting pregnant are higher. Now, Mama, let's do another example. This time, let's use another woman's menstrual cycle dates. Now, for example, Lady B starts her menstrual cycle July 20, but Lady B has a 30-day menstrual cycle. 30-day. Remember, the first one we discussed was 28 days. Now, Lady B has a 30-day menstrual cycle. And remember that July 20 was the first day of her menstrual cycle. Now, let's count together. And this is 30 days menstrual cycle. So July 20. Remember, July 20 equals day 1. July 21, day 2. July 22, day 3. July 23, day 4. July 24, day 5. July 25, day 6. July 26, day 7. July 27, day 8. July 28, day 9. July 29, day 10. July 30, day 11. July 31, day 12. August 1, day 13. August 2, day 14. August 3, day 15. August 4, day 16. Now, Mama, because this woman has a 30-day menstrual cycle, her estimated ovulation day may be around day 16. So, remember, first day of our menstrual cycle is July 20. Then our estimated ovulation day is August 4. Now, let's calculate our fertile window. Remember, sperm can survive inside the body for up to 5 days. So we are going to count backwards from August 4. August 4 is equal to the ovulation day. August 3 now, fertile day. August 2, fertile day. August 1, fertile day. July 31, fertile day. July 30, fertile day. So our fertile window is from July 30, July 31, August 1, August 2, August 3, August 4. Because of science and our body, we are going to add August 5 and August 6 because of our pregnancy hormones. You get our hormonal changes. So we are going to add this. And what I generally do, as I said earlier, or I'm going to say in the video as it progresses, is that me personally, I use 5 days backward and 5 days forward. So let's count it. Let's count 5 days backward. August 4, August 3, August 2, August 1, July 31st. Now let's count 5 days forward. August 4, August 5, August 6, August 7, and August 8. Do you understand, mamas? So, mamas, please, if you and your partner, your doctor says that you're fine fertility-wise, you're good to go. So I would also advise that if you cannot have sex every day during your fertile window, you can also have alternate days. As long as you're having sex regularly during your fertile window, you understand, your fertile period, you're good to go. Now, Mama, I want you to understand something important. These dates are estimates because every woman's body is different. Some women have a very regular menstrual cycle. Some women have irregular menstrual cycle. Let me break this down. An irregular menstrual cycle, it means that your period does not come after the same after the same number of days every month. Let me explain. For example, 1 month, let's use for example August, your menstrual cycle may be 28 days. September, your menstrual cycle may be 35 days. October, your menstrual cycle may be 40 days. Do you understand? When your menstrual cycle is irregular, using only calendar counting may not accurately show your ovulation dates. Now, what else can you look out for? What can you do? You should pay attention to your cervical mucus, which is your natural vaginal discharge. That's one thing that you should look out for. Number 2, around ovulation, there are some women that notice that their discharge changes. It may become clear, slippery. Your discharge may be stretchy like egg whites. It may be more wet than usual. So before and during ovulation, try to know how your discharge is. And after ovulation, understand how your discharge is. Understand the difference. Another option to tracking your ovulation is using ovulation test kits. Because ovulation test kits, it helps you detect your hormonal changes, and especially hormonal changes that happen before ovulation. And you can get this test kit from a pharmacy. You understand? Always follow the instruction on the kits. And if you are unsure how to get these kits, speak with your doctor or pharmacist. They can recommend the right ovulation kits that can help. Another helpful thing that you can do if you are having irregular menstrual cycle is that you have to track it over several months. So what do I mean? It means that you have to write it down. So let's say for the next 3 months to 6 months, the first day that your period starts every month, write it down. Then write how many days that your menstrual cycle lasts, write it down. The next the next month that your period should start, that date, the first day of it, write it down. Any changes that you notice in your body, write it down. It helps you track it well. Because when you've tracked your menstrual cycle for a few months, you may begin to understand your own pattern better. Especially when you go to the hospital, you can give them your ovulation tracking charts, what you have been tracking. You can give your doctor, the nurse, they will help you out. Because now you even have something that you have been tracking, you understand? So you even get help quickly. Because this is for my mamas that are trying to conceive. Now, mama, from everything that we've discussed so far, yes, I know this video is long and it is necessary because it is very valuable, very helpful. I want you mamas that you should remember this important point, very, very important. Number 1, the first day you see your period is day 1 of your menstrual cycle. Number 2, your period stopping does not mean that your menstrual cycle has stopped. It is still counting to your ovulation date, the way I explained it earlier. Number 3, your fertile window is more important than only one ovulation day. That means it's not only one day that you have to try to get pregnant. You have to count the days backward and you can add 2 more days extra. From my explanation earlier, you understand how I counted it for you. You understand? So it's not only one day that you can try to get pregnant. You can still add you can count backwards. And what I usually do, 5 days backward, 5 days forward. Just that's what I do. You understand? Number 4, if your menstrual cycle is irregular, you may need other ways to track ovulation, which I explained earlier. Mama, I know that this was a lot of information, but I wanted to explain it properly because understanding your body can make your trying to conceive journey less confusing, you understand? Less overwhelming. So what I want you to do is save this video and come back to it whenever you need it. All right, mama, I remain your favorite yummy mama, doing good. If you want to book a session or join my paid WhatsApp community, you will find everything through the link in my bio. I love you so much, mama. I'm rooting for you and I'm wishing you the very best of the best. All of my love, mama. I will see you in my next one. Mwah.